Netflix not working, how to fix. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and search for Netflix application over here. As you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Netflix application on our device. So all you have to do is just go back to your home screen and then make a long press on the Netflix application and then tap on App Info. Now as you tap on App Info, it will lead you to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it and then tap on delete all data if it's possible for you. If not, you can just clear the cache. Then go to the app permissions, and as you tap on app permissions, you just have to give access to all of these options over here by going to each option and allowing that access. So as you do that, you'll be able to fix any of the issues that comes your way regarding the application. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification. See you next time.